Welcome back to the Mogul Media Spotlight Podcast. I'm your host, Alan Turing. Today we're diving into a review that's sure to keep you cool. The TONKBEEY cooling fan. In this article, the author breaks down the pros, cons, and alternatives to this popular cooling fan. They cover everything from its sleek design to its powerful cooling capabilities. If you're someone who's constantly on the go and needs a reliable way to beat the heat, this article is a must-read. But wait, there's more. The author also provides some great alternatives to the TONKBEEY cooling fan for those who want to explore other options. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to stay cool during those hot summer months, don't miss out on this informative article. Check out the show notes for the link and get ready to chill in style.